TH Group Woodworking is a fully custom cabinet shop. So we do millwork from custom hoods, custom kitchens, custom baths, built-ins, anything that you dream, we can build. The product we build is reflective of how much care and craft and concern that these people in this building have for putting out something that we know that is going to be in someone's home for decades. The reality of a shop our size and the growth trajectory that we're on, automation is absolutely crucial to the efficiency, the precision, and the ultimate end product our customers need it. Creating a custom product demands a lot of custom engineering, precision millwork. All of those things are the attributes of how an automated process and equipment bring us to that end. In the past 2 years since we've acquired the machinery from Stiles, the uptick in efficiency, precision, our ability to increase our gross business has been exceptional. Stiles tech support has absolutely been a very timely asset to us because with the automation, with our learning the process, they understand the fact that if our machines are down, our production is down. So they're very timely, very professional, and very helpful. It cannot be overstated as to how much efficiency and precision that these machines bring to an operation like ours. I would have zero concern highly recommending Stiles to any one of my colleagues in this space.